Hello, what's up guys? Welcome to the new video. In this video here we have the question 111 divided by x plus 111 divided by x square minus 11 divided by x cube equal to 11, and we have to find out the value of the x. So here we have this question, and now we are multiplying by x cube on both sides. So after that we will get 111x square plus 111x minus 11 equal to 11x cube. So 111x square plus 111x equal to 11x cube. Now here we will take 111x common. So 111x in the bracket x plus 1 equal to, now 11 common from these two, so 11 into x cube plus 1 cube. Now applying the formula that says a cube plus b cube equal to a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square. So we will apply this formula over x cube plus 1 cube. Now here we have 111x into x plus 1 equal to 11 in the bracket x plus 1 and multiplied by x square minus x plus 1. 11 x plus 1 and x square minus x plus 1 minus 111x into x plus 1 equal to 0. Now we are taking x plus 1 common from these two. So x plus 1 in the bracket we have 11 into x square minus x plus 1 minus 111x. Now here we have x plus 1 into 11x square minus 11x plus 11 minus 111x equal to 0. So x plus 1 into 11x square minus 11x minus 111x, so that will be minus 122x plus 11 equal to 0. Now we have the two equations, x plus 1 equal to 0 and 11x square minus 122x plus 11 equal to 0. So 11x square minus 121x minus x plus 11 equal to 0. 11x common from these two, 11x into x minus 11, minus 1 common from these two, so minus 1 into x minus 11. Now again we have the two brackets x minus 11 and 11x minus 1 equal to 0. So x equal to 11, and from this one we have 11x minus 1 equal to 0. So x equal to 1 over 11. From this we have x equal to minus 1. So we have the three values of x equal to minus 1 and x equal to 11 and x equal to 1 over 11. So this is not x1, x2 and x3. This is just for letting you know that we have the three values of x. Thank you for watching this video.